So we got these welded together for the end of the cylinder. Where's my pin? Here's my pin. Something like that. Sort of. This is all make it up as I go. I'll get this out of the way. I gotta finish welding the ends of these tubes before I put this on, otherwise I won't be able to get in there very well. So I guess that being said, I'll fire up the welder and we'll burn a few more rods. Like that is difficult. So we gotta get her done. I find in spots like these, the flux gets, it's like it gets jammed in there real tight, and swinging the chipping hammer all the time trying to get it all the little bits and pieces out is just more work than you need to do. That air hammer just drives her out. So I'm using 1/8 7018. I have my welder set, it's at approximately 125 amps according to this weld. That's what works for me. If you're going to use an air hammer to chip your flux, make sure you wear your safety glasses. Remember, safety glasses.